Hello everyone, this is Pratik. I am going to review this Grenaro microphone that costs around 700 rupees on Flipkart. Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to first unbox this, review the build quality and stuff. Second, we are going to test the features like noise cancellation features and reverb mode and all by looking at the manual. Then I'm going to test all of those on my collar so that you can hear how it sounds on your collar and you can use it on your vlogging or any way you like. Okay, so let's get ready and open this box. So this is what it looks like from inside. We've got the mic and we've got the receiver. Okay, we've got the documentation that we're going to use, some kind of warranty card. Who's going to use the warranty anyways? A cable, type C cable to charge it, and another filter. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go outside on my terrace and show you how it works on the real environment conditions. And even if you're going to use this mic inside your room, it's going to be better than the outside. So let's go. Okay, so I think I'm connected, and this is just the normal level of this mic, and I read the manual already for you. So if I click the button, power button once, it goes to the level 1 of noise cancellation. You can hear it. If I press once again, it goes to level 2 and the LED blinks twice. You can hear it once more. And if I go to level 3 by pressing it again, it blinks thrice and it's the level 3. There is traffic from the road, so road is around 100 meters from here, not 100 but 50, not even 50 I guess. And I'm on the terrace and there is wind going on, so I think you get a pretty good idea how it sounds on 3 levels of noise cancellation. Now if I press it thrice, 1 2 3, it goes to the reverb mode and you can sing. If I press again, 1 2 3, it comes back to the normal mode. If I press twice, 1 2, press twice it mutes, and press twice again it unmutes. All right, now let's test this on the collar. Okay, so I'm going to level 2 of the noise cancellation because maybe that's what you're going to use the most, and I'll show you in the level 3 as well. But first let's test the level 2. Press once, then twice. Okay, this is the level 2, and tell me how it sounds. So yep, and press it again. I think this is the level 3 now, and you can tell me how it sounds. Is it good for vlogging? I think so. That's it. I hope it helps. Thanks.